Hello, everyone. My name is Solomon. Are you interested in working or making money online? I have a special way of helping you out with this question. A lot of people have been um, issuing and looking for a way of working through the internet, making passive income. I will tell you today that there are legal ways of making money through the internet. It is so simple. Most of the times, most of my subscribers always ask me, what is the right way of making money online? Well, the process I'm going to show you today is not a process that I will guarantee you 100% that you're going to make all the money you need instantly. It is a step-by-step process because they say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a what? With a step. So if you are looking for a quick way of making money, please, this program is not for you. But if you are patient enough and you watch through this video from the beginning to the end, you are going to see a basic way how you can make money without doing anything at all. So let's dive straight to the point and let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is my email address, my Yahoo email address. The link is already given in description below. So what you have to do is just to copy the link from the description that I have shown you, just to copy the link. And every registration you make through this link, you are given $5 instantly for registration. What is this program all about? Let's open a new tab and check what is the program all about. The program is simple. What we are talking about here is delivering and giving your internet as a service for other companies. So like what I have here, I have a unlimited bandwidth that I can share with every individual. So there is this particular company, after copying the link, paste the link on your browser and click the enter button from your keyboard. Immediately, the website will be opened. And what do you see here? It is welcome to Honeygain. Congratulations for using a referral link. You are eligible to claim $5 instantly. You are able to claim what? $5 instantly for registering using my link. Okay, after registering, you're giving $5. What this company is all about. So you click on the claim button. When you click on the claim button, you'll be directed into the homepage where you'll be given further instructions on how to go about this website. This is legit. You can withdraw your money also when you meet the minimum requirements. The minimum requirement is $20. You can withdraw it, and you can make the $20 instantly in a day. Now, this is it. This is my account. I already created an account. That is why automatically I'm logged in into my account. Now, this site gives you an opportunity to download the apps on Windows operating systems, or on Mac operating system, or on Android phone. Even your phone, you can use it. Now look at what is happening here. When your $5 is given to you instantly, what you do is you share your your informations, I mean your internet, with the rest of the world, because there are companies who do large amount of video streaming, audio streaming, online radio. They do a lot of programs that demands internet facilities. So you're giving out your internet. You don't have anything to do, just to download the software. When you download the software, you install it into your computer, log into your account by putting in your username and password. Automatically, it will begin to work. From my computer, you can see below here, the icon is displayed. You right click on it, you see all information about it. Just by today, I already delivered 403.82 megabytes of RAM. So you can see everything is simple and easy. Now, there are frequent questions that people usually ask about this. The payment methods, what is this company all about? Let me go through it. What is Honeygain? Now, let me read through it. So what is Honeygain and how does it work? Honeygain is the first ever app that helps its user to make money online by sharing their internet connection. You see, it is simple. Share your internet connection and you make money. Like what I have right today, I'm having a unlimited internet tariff. So what I do is I just download the apps, install it, and I from there the apps does all the works. I don't have anything to do on my phone. I have it also. I have it on my iPhone. The apps is running on daily basics. The only thing is don't switch off the computer, allow the computer to work. So for a day you can make more than $20. That is what I was doing. So people can now reach their unused data plans full potential and not leave any unused data behind. It is a really passive income effortlessly. Are you getting it? So you can make steady money effortlessly. So if you read through, you see the all informations, and right down below I place the reference link. Please click on the reference link. If you want it, you send me a direct message. I will give you the entire information. This is a new website that pays in. I've already cashed out my first $20 and I'm now mining the others. So if you like this video, please share, place your likes and comment. I also upload this video on my YouTube channel. The information of my YouTube channel will be displayed also. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay blessed. Upcoming videos will be coming.